Is the EVOSAW 380 any good? Yeah. Gonna need this. So is that EVOSAW any good? The EVOSAW 380? You can bet your bollocks it is. I cut all of that metal in a touch over 10 minutes, and I wasn't trying to go fast. It's just regular speed, no hurry, nothing like that. It was a touch over 10. I did stop in the middle and put earplugs on, so that took like 30 seconds. So under 10 minutes to cut all of that metal, which is that's pretty impressive. I'll give you guys a look at the kind of carnage you're going to have after doing something like that. It's really not too bad. You know, most of the chips are over by the table, and then you've got like a light dusting out here. You're probably back 3 or 4 feet. Really not too bad. Easy to clean up. Most of the chips are, you know, up here by the saw and the table. All right, no big deal. It does have a tray here to catch the chips. I'll show you guys that. And this tray goes down the full length of the machine, right? So that's really good. And then yeah, here's all the metal we cut, and this is thick metal, right? This is not, you know, this is pretty stout stuff. And yeah, so most of the chips end up in this tray because this blade spins counterclockwise. So it's firing, it sparks in here. It's just they'll go in and some of them will fly back out, hit the floor. No big deal. But yeah, that thing's a beast. Just a total beast of a machine. I do have an abrasive chop saw. I've had it for a long time. It was way more money than that is new, you know, comparatively. That's a better machine, hands down. If you're in the market for a chop saw, that's the way to go.